So the question is 2 root x minus the root of 4x minus 11 all equal to 1. So because we have 2 roots there, we'll square both sides to remove one of the roots. So square both sides. Okay. So I'll put them in brackets. So I have open bracket 2 root x minus the root of 4x minus 11 all squared equal to 1 square also. Okay. So I'll open the brackets now. I'll write the first bracket and the second bracket. So we have 2 root x minus the root of 4x minus 11 open brackets, again 2 root x minus the root of 4x minus 11 close brackets, and we have equal to 1 because the square of 1 is basically 1. All right, so 2 root x multiplies 2 root x is 4x, particularly from the idea of sword. The root of x multiplies the root of x gives us the root of x square. So the square cancels the root and we have x. So 2 root x multiplies the second term in the second bracket minus that. So we have minus 2. So the roots multiplies themselves. So we have the root of x open bracket 4x minus 11 close bracket. Now basically also from the idea of sword, that when you have the root of a multiplying the root of b, so basically you have a singular root for both of them, ab. That is when the terms in the roots are different. Okay, so again root 4x minus 11 multiplies 2 root x now to give us the same thing, minus 2 root x open bracket 4x minus 11, again minus root 4x minus 11 multiplies the same, minus root 4x minus 11. So minus times minus is plus, so we have 4x minus 11 equal to 1. All right, so the equation is now reduced. So also from the idea of what I wrote at the top there, so the equation is now reduced to 4x minus, so minus 2 there and minus 2 there gives us minus 4 root x open bracket 4x minus 11. Now because we have 4x minus 11, 2x minus 11, 2x minus 11, that is 4x. So this is 4x minus 11 equal to 1. So we have 4x there and 4x here. We can add the two of them to give us 8x. Again, we have minus 11 and positive 1. So if that one crosses, it gives us 12. So we have 8x minus 12 minus 4 root x open bracket 4x minus 11 close bracket. And at this point, so what I did was I added 4 and 4 to give me 8, and minus 11, since I have 1 at the right hand side, so that one crosses to meet 11 and it becomes minus 11 minus 1, which is what, minus 12. So at the right hand side now we have 0. Okay, so the next thing is we'll take minus 4 and the root to the right hand side. So we have 8x minus 12 equal to 4 root x open bracket 4x minus 11. Okay, so looking at the terms now, we can divide both side by 4. Basically this is because 4 can go into 8 twice, 2 times, and 4 can go into 12 also 3 times. So we divide both side by 4, so we have 2x minus 3 equal to the root of x open bracket 4x minus 11. So the 4 are gone. The 4 is gone. All right. So the next thing to do now is to square both sides because of the root there. So square both sides. Final squaring. Square both sides now. So I'll put them in bracket also. So I have 2x minus 3 square equal to the root of x open bracket 4x minus 11 close bracket and close bracket then square. So basically the square there cancels the big root, and we'll now square what we have at the left hand side. So I'll clean what I have there at the top and draw a line to manage the board. So this is it. So basically the left hand side is 2x square is just 4x square minus we have 12x plus 9. So what happened there is we have 2 times 3, which is 6, times 2 is 12. So and is equal to what we have at the right hand side. So now 4x square minus 12x plus 9 is equal to x multiplied by 4x gives us what? 4x square. And x again multiplied by minus 11 gives us minus 11x. All right. So the next thing is to take 4x from the right hand side to meet the next 4x, the other 4x at the left hand side. So we have 4x square minus 4x square, then minus 12x because that 12x carries a minus sign. Then 11x from the right hand side crosses to the left hand side becomes plus 11x and plus 9. So we have equal to 0 there. 4x goes 12 minus 12x plus 11x gives us minus x. So we have minus x plus 9. We have a 9 there equal to 0. So 9 crosses the equality side to the right hand side gives us minus 9. So we have that. So divide both sides by minus 1 and we have our x as 9. Beautiful. So let's check and just check to see if what we did is correct. All right, because according to the question, everything is equal to what? 1. Everything is equal to 1. So the question is 2 root x minus 4x minus 11 equal to 1, and our x is 9, so we have 2 root 9 minus the root of 4. So 4x, instead of that x, write 9. So that now the root of 9 is 3, so we have 2 times 3 there minus 4 times 9 is 36, so we have the root of 36 minus 11, and 36 minus 11 is basically 25, and so we have 6 minus 5, which is what? 1. So therefore our answer is what? 1. Thank you very much for watching.